God that I'm 9%, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Hmm. So I won't be posting a lot today. I will just charge all day. Oh my god. Now let's come back to my game.
Enjoy mo maganda kapag maraming options dahil may daily trendy beauty picks on Shopee. Shopee Pack!
Ads. I hate ads. I hate ads. Go away, ugly ad. I go crazy when I see ad. If you wanna slay and that the slay slide. Sister and sister mister. Slay if you wanna slay and slay slay. Sister and sister mister. So guys, I hate doing this if it's a lot. So I like normal ones, but not as much. I don't like putting my feet out the blankie because the cockroach might get it. So afraid of cockroach. Okay. Sister and sister mister. Slay if you want slay and let the sleigh slide. Hey, sister and sister mister. Did you know I'm the only chubby cheeks in our family? I hate it, guys. I think that's why people hated me. Is that why, guys? Because if it do, um, I'm sorry. It's just my looks. But if I look good already at the same I do. Oh my god, get away, Shopee. Okay. If it's not, thank you very much. And you know everything. Slay if you wanna slay, and let the slay slay. Hey, sister, and sister, mister. Very tired. Slay if you wanna slay, and let the sleigh slide. Hey, sister, and sister, mister.